Hey, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today I'm talking all about stuffed bacon wrapped chicken breast. And what I want to show you guys today is how to take marinated chicken breast, stuff it with a cream cheese vegetable filling, wrap it in bacon, and then get it on the smoker. And it's going to be juicy, tender, crunchy, absolutely delicious. Let's take it over to the stove because we got to make our vegetable filling first. Okay guys, so what I have here is I have a skillet with some olive oil in it, and it's got nice and hot. And then what I have here is I have about 3 cups total of vegetables. Chopped mushrooms, chopped spinach, and a chopped whole small to medium onion. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these right in to the oil. We're also gonna dust these veggies with a little bit of this Cattleman's Smokehouse barbecue rub. And I really like this stuff. It's gonna give it a great flavor. And just move all your veggies around. Get this little straggler. Move all your veggies around, get them nice and incorporated into that olive oil. And once you've done that, give them a little bit of a dust with this rub. You want to work these around until these onions start to become translucent. All the other vegetables get a nice good sweat on them. Okay guys, so what I've done here is I've set aside our sauteed vegetables and I just let them cool for a little bit. And then what I did was I took a brick of cream cheese, an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese, and I just chopped it up into about, 6 individual pieces, something like that. And I threw them right in the blender. You don't have to do it this way. You can just put it in a bowl and you can fold your sauteed veggies right into it. My wife really likes it this way. And you know what they say, happy wife, happy life. And of course, I don't dislike it this way. It still tastes awesome. So, needless to say, we're gonna give this a go here. Okay, so we have all of this stuff in the blender. Everything's ready to roll. And now we're gonna lay the boom down. So here we are. This is what your filling should look like after you're done running it through the blender. Has a nice green hue to it. Actually, it looks really gross, but I gotta tell you, this stuff tastes awesome. And we're gonna take this filling and we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least an hour or two. You could go overnight, but we wanna let this cool down a little bit. Okay guys, now that our filling has cooled down a little bit, I'm gonna show you how to put these together. What I have here is I have some thin sliced chicken breast that came that way from the grocery store. My wife got this at the grocery store, and like I said, this has already been sliced really thin. That's fine, you can buy them this way, or you could just get them whole chicken breasts and just take a meat tenderizer and pound them out. So they're basically all one uniform thickness. If I pound out chicken, I usually pound it out to about a 1/2 inch thick. And all I did was I just threw these chicken breasts in this bag here, and I threw a little bit of robust Italian dressing on there to give them a little flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay these chicken breasts down just like that in the middle of the bacon slices that we have here. And I've got about 6 slices of bacon. That might be a little much. We probably don't need this 6th one, but that's okay. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cream cheese filling and I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit over the chicken breast. That's pretty good right there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in. I'm gonna get another chicken breast. And I'm gonna lay it right on top, just like that. And then, afterwards, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this bad boy in some bacon. Just come right over. That looks pretty good to me. That's exactly what you want. I'm gonna make a couple more of these. I'm gonna knock these right out, and then I'm gonna see you down at the grill. We've already got the Traeger fired up. We're running it on some hickory pellets today. We're gonna be cooking right at 350 degrees. Stick around. Okay guys, we're down here at the grill. We've got the Traeger running right at 350. What I wanna do before I throw these on is I wanna throw a little cooking spray on the grates. Set these guys right on. Get that closed and we'll come and check back in about 20 minutes or so. Okay guys, so I came down about 10 minutes ago and they still weren't quite ready yet. This is really, really close. And I would say it's been 30 minutes and yeah, these bad boys are ready to flip. Carefully flip them over. As you can see, we made a little bit of a mess. That's okay. It's kind of inevitable with these. We're going to let these roll for another 20 to 25 minutes. We're going to be ready to eat. Stick around. Okay, guys, so here we are. These things are looking absolutely awesome. We're going to get these chicken breasts off and on the cutting board. We're going to let them rest for a minute. Okay, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. You don't have to let these rest really long. I let them like to chill out just a little bit. Especially let that filling cool. You take a bite into that, you're gonna need skin grafts in your mouth. But anyway, I'm gonna slice into this little, the smaller one, the one that I kind of mangled on the pit earlier. But before I do, let's do a quick run through of what we did. We had some thin sliced chicken breast. But what we did with the chicken breast is we got it into a bag and we covered it in a Robusto Italian dressing as a marinade. We let it hang out overnight. Okay, and then what we did today was we got our vegetables together. We had spinach, we had mushrooms, and we had onions. And we chopped them all up and we sauteed them in olive oil. And we added a little bit of the Cattleman's Smokehouse barbecue rub for a little bit of flavor. And after that, we got them into a food processor with a brick of cream cheese. And we just blended it all up into a cream cheese veggie filling. Okay, and then afterwards, what we did was we laid out some bacon strips, about 4 or 5 slices of bacon, depending on the size of your cutlet that you're using. Then what we did was we laid one chicken breast down on top of the bacon slices, and we put our cream cheese veggie filling in there. We laid another chicken breast on top of it, and we wrapped that up in bacon. After that, we got it on the Traeger, which we were running over hickory pellets at 350 degrees. And we put these on, we let them run for about 20 minutes. I checked them after 20 minutes and they weren't quite there yet. So I gave them another 10, it's about a half hour. And then we gave them a flip and we let them run for about another half hour. And now, this is the moment of truth here, and I can't wait. And I am really, really loving this new knife that my wife got me for Valentine's Day, guys. J.A. Henckels International. So far, it's razor sharp. Huge fan of this. And I'm just gonna cut right through the center of this one here. Just go nice and easy. I'm gonna squeeze out that filling. Oh yeah, look at that. So you got these beautiful thin chicken breasts with this cream cheese filling and the bacon wrapped around it. And this smells absolutely fantastic. And you know something? I was gonna go fork and knife with this, but there's no way. I'm gonna eat this like a sandwich and I'm gonna make a big fat mess of myself here. So without further ado, here we go. Guys, oh man. That's perfect bite through bacon, bite through chicken breast. And the filling is out of this world. I can see why my wife likes it like that. That's really good. The Robusto Italian marinade did such a great job, brought in a ton of flavor into the chicken. I'm telling you, marinate your chicken. Definitely, absolutely marinate your chicken. You could take something like this, a little small guy like that, and you can make a sandwich out of this all day. I have to try that sometime. Man, this is good. It's absolutely perfect. The chicken's juicy. It's packed full of flavor. Hickory gave it a really, wow, I got all this stuff all over me. Those hickory pellets really gave it a good smoked flavor. I gotta say, I thought it might come out a little strong. I thought I might want to use like, cherry or some apple wood or something. Nope, hickory is just perfect for this. I'm psyched about this. Bacon's a perfect consistency. It's bite through. This is unbelievable. The other thing, guys, this is a ketogenic recipe. I know a lot of people, especially up here in the Northeast, there's a lot of people ranting and raving about the keto diet. I'm not a fad diet guy. That's not something that I, really jump into. I think, eating decent food and getting a good amount of exercise and activity is good enough. But some people really swear by it. I'm telling you, if you want to eat delicious, okay, that's the thing. A lot of people talk about, you can either cook healthy or you can cook delicious. Let me tell you something. This is totally ketogenic, and if you want to eat delicious and you still want to stick to the keto diet, this recipe is for you all day, every day. Man. Money. Total money. I could eat this every day. And my wife's not home from work yet, but when she gets home, she's gonna be very, very happy. I gotta tell you guys, this is a quick and easy one. There's really not too much to this, and you can do this on any grill as long as you set up for indirect heat, okay? As long as you can stack your heat source on one side and put your meat on the other, or if you have a Traeger, that's fine. If you don't have a grill at all, you can do this in your oven. In your oven, this would be great. Use whatever marinades, whatever seasonings you want. Have fun with this. You can swap the spinach out for broccoli. You don't have to use, the same stuff I use. This is just, a nice ballpark idea for you. I like it this way, but if you come up with a better idea, or you come up with something that you think is gonna be a home run, absolutely go for it. You can't really lose, you can't go wrong. This is unbelievable. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see here and you like the food we're cooking and you like what we're doing on this channel, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.